Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Shajib and I'm the instructor of HEXA'S AMBARKHANA and I'm doing my job since 3 years. Today I want to talk about one of my student whose name is Jannat Najnin Akther, who got 6.5 in her IELTS main exam. Her exam date was 22 February 2025 and she is here with me. Please, can you
Yes,
repeat your name?
yes, my full name is Najnin Akther Jannat.
Okay, so can you talk about me like that? What about Hexas to you?
I would say HEXA'S is like my second home because for like few months I passed most of the time in HEXA'S. So HEXA'S is like my family. So I really appreciate. I passed a lot of time in HEXA'S. They were my favorite teachers and my like classmates who were really helpful and they really assisted me a lot. I can't explain in words. So I would say HEXA'S is really very like very close to my heart.
Okay, as you are my student, my batch, and your batch number is 3437, I think. Okay, so you are the one of student. You are attentive in every classes. Okay, can you tell me about that full eyes journey about yourself? What, how you generate this overcome?
Yes, definitely. At the beginning, I was not so pleasant about my results. When I completed my course, I got the best performer award, but I was quite confused about my journey. That what should I say? Like I was really puzzled about my speaking. I was afraid about my speaking at the first, but. The speaking, apart from speaking, the listening and reading was not a piece of cake for me. So when I completed my course, I sat for a mock test and my score was 5.5. So with that score, I was really disappointed. So after getting that score, I really I got the consult from my teacher, my class teacher, you and Farhana ma'am, and you both were really very helpful and assisted to me, and you suggested me to get enrolled in SAC, which is self-assessment center, we can call library. So after getting into the library, I got assisted from Muntaha ma'am and Anika ma'am. They were really very helpful to me at the last, and after that, I got courage for sitting for another mock, and that time my mock score was 6, and for after that time after third time my score was also same 6. But that was not my desired score, so I wanted to get a higher band. For that, I really took the suggestion from you and my another teachers like Israt ma'am and Farhana ma'am, Joy sir and Protoy sir and Abir sir also, and you all were really like help supportive to me very much. So it really helped me, and I can say with the help of you and your colleagues, my teachers, by holding your hands, I really. But last but not least, I would say my journey was quite tough at the beginning, but it was really helpful to me, and as I said earlier, that it helped me a lot.
Okay, last question for you. Can you give suggestion to others who are joining in the next for the IELTS main exam? What you will say to others?
Yes, of course. I would say, like students who want to get a higher band score, they should get enrolled in HEXA'S course, and after that they should be regular in care session, and they should also, I would say they should also be serious with their partial exams, because by taking partial exams they can really get their expected level, and I would say students should never give up, because everyone has their different dreams, and we always should work hard for our dreams, for fulfilling our dreams. and I would say my score was not so good, but if I would had worked a bit more, then my score was a little bit higher.
Okay, thank you, Miss Najnin Akther.
Thanks to you, sir, because by holding your hand, especially, I got my score.
Desired score. Okay. Thank you. I'm also thanking to you to got this kind of result, and this is a brilliant result also. Okay.